Welcome to Life Fest 2014. My name is Jerry Cudzil, and I'm the president of the board. And I was told today that this is the seventh Life Fest that we've held. So it's a pretty special night. A lot of thank you. Yeah, there'll be about 175 people here: patients, caregivers, doctors. All people who are touched by this disease and who experience this roller coaster in one way or another. And for me, that's it's important and special to see the room filled, and hopefully we'll all benefit from a great weekend of information and support and just togetherness. So hopefully it'll be great. I'd first like to thank our sponsors. Bayer, Genentech, Pfizer, and Novartis, who helped put this event on, and also our board of directors. I'm supposed to do that, so not to thank myself, but there were sponsorships that were given out. We wanted to make sure that this was accessible to as many people as possible, and a lot of people are here because of the sponsorships and generosity of the board. So thank you for the board members who helped out with that. That was really great. A brief introduction real quick of my story, how I got involved with the Life Raft Group. Everybody has their own, but back in 2003, my father-in-law was diagnosed with GIST. I got involved. I met a affable gentleman in a Chinese restaurant in New York City who did a lot of talking and encouraging for me to be more involved with the Life Raft Group. That gentleman is Norm Scherzer, for those of you who haven't had the pleasure of speaking with Norm. And so I've been involved for a long time. I unfortunately, after a long battle, I lost my father-in-law in 2008, but I have stayed involved, obviously, with the organization. It's really close to and special. With it holds a special place in my heart for me and my family, and we want to, as everyone else in this room does, we all have the same goal, and our goal is to, like you'll hear at so many of these events, but to put ourselves out of business. I think, we make no mistake about it. We met with our research group today. There's, the focus here is to find a cure. We spend a lot of time, talking about the word cure, but in the meantime, our mission, and so you all know, is that no one who has GIST needs to face GIST alone. That is a patient, that's a caregiver, that's anyone who's touched by this disease. So when you get that scary diagnosis, and we all know what that's like in this room, that's a really empty feeling and a really lonely time, and the first thing you want to do is get as much information as you can and then realize that you're not alone, and that's what the Life Raft Group is here to do. We're here to give you information and support, and we're here to advocate, and at the same time we're here to try to help find a cure. So this is hopefully going to give all of you a lot of information, a lot of support. Use us this weekend. Make sure you learn as much as you can or you need to. Hopefully there'll be a lot of people that you can lean on and talk to and share your story with. And then when this is all over, you'll know that this is a comforting place, and a place for support and a safe place for all of us. And that's what we're here for. So this is hopefully going to be a great next 36 hours. There's a lot of impressive people in the room. These presentations you'll hear tomorrow, there are a lot of smart people, a lot smarter than me, who will give you the latest about new developments, new pathways, new compounds, and how we're going to achieve success. So what was started as I like to use this phrase, as a backyard barbecue and a listserv, and that's turned into this powerful organization with a newsletter and donating millions of dollars of research, and we have representatives in 40 states and probably 50 countries, and it is it's powerful, and that power should give us all support and should all make us feel really good at a time that is really scary. So with that, this is supposed to be a positive weekend, and I hope you'll get a lot of information, a lot of support, and we look forward to having a great time. So thank you very much for coming, and we really appreciate it.